Joel, can you wash this cup for me?
Alright, so what's really nice about the sink overall is the layout, honestly for me. That could be a real big selling point for some. Just because everything attaches and links up to the existing thing, you know, the center. It comes in the frame that, like I said, is hard mounted onto your setup, and then it links on. You literally take it off, put it on. It's that simple. Once it's really in place and it's stable, it's pretty good to go. Cutting board, same thing, links to side. You can switch everything around, but I have it this way for this particular shot. So included in this, like I said, is that you get the sink, it's collapsible, it's removable, cutting board, and you got the spout, and then we have a line that feeds the water with the priming pump, and then it's attached to our 5-gallon jug of water. Okay, so let's get started on the actual sink and the washing of the dish. So one big thing we also noticed about this sink is the fact that to get the water going, you have to lift it up and you get feed, back down, prime the pump, and you get feed again. All right, that might be a deal breaker for some. I know it caught us a little initially off guard as an inconvenience, but after messing with it a bit, you can get used to the priming system. It's not that bad. It is a way to save water. That's one way to look at it. So here we go. So 1, 2, I think 3 about does it. That's a good amount. So we'll go ahead and start washing our dish here. Wash our cup, get the outside, get it rinsed really well. It's not very dirty, but it does the trick to go ahead and show you guys what this is all about. So let's get the good rinse overall just to see that water feed. So if you get a good system going, you can actually get quite a bit of water out of here at a quick rate. With our dish nice and clean, we'll go ahead and set it aside. I'll pull the plug on the drain just so you guys can see what it looks like. And now you go ahead and evacuate your water. After using this, I mean, I am not entirely sure how I feel about it. I think I'm still kind of neutral on it, but after I learned how to navigate this spout a little bit better and more efficiently, it kind of helped me lean a little more towards being okay with it. There's a lot of sinks out in the market right now. We got to try this particular one, which is really, really cool. Once again, it's the POKS sink, P-O-K-S sink, and it's an entire system. So be sure to look up all the additional attachments when you're considering this sink. So now we're back at home base. We just kind of wanted to give you guys an overview as to what was used in this video. We used a cutting board attachment, the faucet, the priming pump, the POKS rail mounting system, and of course the POKS sink itself, which goes for $200 on Vagabond 4x4's website.
Yeah, and we'd like to invite you guys to visit their website. They have products to accessorize your vehicle, to hiking equipment, as well as even like kayak rentals and stuff like that. So they have a little bit of everything for everybody, like people like us that kind of like a variety of the outdoors.
Absolutely. So once again, we'd like to thank you guys for tuning in and watching this review. I hope you enjoyed it. And with that, we'll wrap it up.
Yeah, of course, tune in for the next one.
All right.